buntag, Uganda! Piyok pa. Ganun talaga guys, pag medyo kulang ako sa tulog. Ano bang nangyari kagabi? Kagabi ay dumaan si Hasan sa bahay para ipag-grocery yung mga bata. So medyo na late sila ng balik. At talagang inantay ko yung mga kids dahil minsan dumidiretso na silang matulog nang hindi naghuhugas ng kamay pagkagaling sa grocery. Minsan natatakot ako dahil meron akong naririnig na nandito pa daw yung COVID. So anyway, ngayon ay Tuesday, time check tayo, alas 9:30 ng umaga. At ngayon ay na-stock up kami guys. Dahil ngayon ay pupunta sana kami ng studio para sa second session ng recording ni Timothy, ang aking personal driver. As you guys can remember, we started making this Filipino Luganda or Filipino-Ugandan song na sinulat at kakantahin ni Timothy, and then ako naman yung translator. At ngayon tatapusin namin yung kanyang kanta. Sana makaabot kami on time, pero unexpectedly kami ay hinarang ng pulis dito sa Kampala, sa deep ng Kampala City, yung capital city ng Uganda. Dahil dito kasi guys sa Uganda, meron silang mga instances na meron silang mga unscheduled or unexpected scanning ng mga plate number. So ngayon, kapag nag-scan sila ng mga plate number at nakita nila sa record na meron kang violation before, or yung sasakyan ay merong record ng violation before na hindi nabayaran, kailangan nilang i-park yung sasakyan at magbayad muna ng ticket bago kanila palabasin. So ngayon, hinarang kami, mabuti na lang at kukunti lang yung babayaran namin actually, pero yung violation ay nangyari before pa napa sa akin itong sasakyan. Ibig sabihin yung old owner nitong sasakyan na to ay merong violation. That was January 2023 at nagkataon na ako yung nakaupo dito nung na-scan ang plate number. So ngayon, ang violation dito normally kapag wala kang dalang lisensya or pangit yung pagmamaneho mo, ang babayaran minimum is 100,000 Ugandan shillings or around 1,500 pesos. So the only way na makalabas kami dito sa parking lot na to ay bayaran yung ticket. So sabi ko nga kay Timothy, bayaran niya na para kami ay maging productive ngayong araw. And of course guys, once again, wag nating hayaan na etong negative event na to ay makasira ng araw natin, dahil I am eyeing on making this Tuesday very productive dahil start pa lang to ng week natin. And as you can see, we are wearing our popular t-shirt by Princess Higa, Tindera sa Africa, One Life, Live It Right. Ayun, kung sa Tagalog pa, isang buhay, mamuhay ng tama. So I'll see you guys. Keep with us and stick with us in this episode. At sana meron kayo ulit bagong matutunan sa araw na to sa buhay ko as nag-iisang tindera sa Africa, Pinay sa Uganda. I am Princess Higa. Alright guys, dumating na kami dito sa studio. And ngayon, at least nabayaran namin agad yung aming bill. Grabe naman napatakbo sir, magbabayad naman kami ng responsibilidad namin. Ayaw ko na mga ganun guys, naiinis ako sa mga ganun kapag may mga kailangang bayaran tapos hindi ko agad gagawin. Parang meron akong laging iniisip sa utak. So ngayon, let's go. Sana matapos natin na itong kantang to dahil sobrang excited kami na i-share sa inyo ang pinaka kauna-unahang Filipino-Ugandan reggae song. So tara, samahan nyo kami. Let's go! So ngayon guys, naririnig ko na yung bass track. Piniplay na nila sa loob. So nakaka-excite. Let's go. Good morning. How are you?
Isang buhay, mamuhay ng tama.
Yay! guys, andito na naman tayo sa ating second session and so far so good. Pinagpapawisan si Timothy sa kanyang kanta. Show some thumbs up there. Alright guys, we are so excited to release this song. Sana ngayong buwan na to ay ma-release natin ang kanta at para masundan na rin natin ang music video dahil alam ko marami yung nag-aantay dyan kung paano kumembot si Joseph. At by the way guys, isang malaking announcement, sasama si Maring Sara sa ating music video kasi syempre kasama ang Batang Chapa Kuku TV, kasama ang 5 mga anak natin, ayan. At syempre guys, huwag nyo kaming iwan, samahan nyo kami sa bagong-bago at napakagandang proyektong to ngayong 2023 at sana ito ay magiging magandang simula para sa career ng aking personal driver na si Timothy. Ayun, see you for today's video.
We all don't know tomorrow, a separate thing. My brother, better live your life.
Sound like from Jamaica. The Rasta.
Are you ready, madam?
So, yes, I'm very ready for your talents. As long as it's good, me, I'm here. Princess Yiga, once again with
don't
Joseph.
forget to subscribe. Princess Yiga on YouTube. Every time, share the videos, watch the videos. Don't skip the ads.
Yeah.
Everything.
We are just starting, yeah?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So don't forget, you guys, these are my trusted people here. Timothy, Last Born the African in YouTube.
Yeah.
Hey, and Travel with Joseph Wisto. And of course, NIC, producer of the first ever Filipino Ugandan song.
Yeah.
One life, let's live it right. Guys, grabe, ang harsh naman talaga ng producer dito. Pinakanta nila ako, isang sentence pa lang, sabi sa akin, mag-vlogger na lang daw talaga. Kasi, alam nyo, wala talaga akong talent kumanta. Pero, anong kailangan na support para maging special? Ang pinakaunang kanta na to na Filipino-Ugandan gagawin natin. Siyempre, dahil ito ay customized para sa inyo at para sa amin na gumagawa. So, ngayon, meron kaming magandang message. Ilalagay natin to sa music and let's see how it's going to work. Last Born the African, Travel with Joseph, Princess Yiga.
Hemame bore yene polo chuta kwa pana de paraija. Hemame bore polo de paraija.
from the studio. Now you can speak.
Guys, from having a cool vibe and expect fire on this tune.
Yes.
Philippines, Uganda, connect.
But you transformed, man. Who are you in that song?
Was that the rapper?
What message were you trying to send in your part of the song?
Okay. I was like trying to tell everybody that don't try and give up. Keep your hustle on and light up your candle.
Whoa! And of course, the main singer and the writer of the song, One Life, Isang Buhay. Tell me how you feel right now, freshly from the studio.
I feel so nice. I feel that our projects are done, and I really love it. It's a raw, but I feel it's just.
We did our best, yeah? All right.
And you are. I don't know. I don't want to talk to people about it. They will listen to it.
That's true. That's true.
Yeah.
So when are we expecting the full song?
Full song mixing and mastering will be done by Friday.
And where will it be released exactly? The original copy of the song will be released.
The final mix, the original copy of the song, will be on my YouTube channel. That's Last Ponde African. So please.
We are excited to hear the first ever Filipino-Ugandan team up in this song, One Life, Isang Buhay.
Idana, 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 Idana.
So wakas at nakauwi na tayo. One Life, live it right. Sobrang nag-enjoy ako sa second session na to, guys. Proud na proud ako para sa aking mga employee. At nabigla ako sa mga talents nila. At talagang nakita ko na nag-enjoy sila. So, working is another thing. But enjoying while you are working is the best thing. So, pinadiretso ko na sila para masundo yung mga bata. Ako'y magpapahinga or mag-gym. At bumili lang ako ng bagong nipple para sa baby bottle ni Chico. It was a very productive day, by the way, guys. At maraming salamat sa inyo na laging nagpupush sa amin para maging the best. Open, please. Hi, Chico. Hi, Auntie. Mama. This is nipple for him. Nipple for his bottle. I have 5 extra. How are you, Chico? Banana? Kiss Mama first. Nana. Ice candy. Weewo, weewo. This is Mommy's. Come on. Akala ko hindi ako mag-workout ngayon, pero absent na ako kahapon. Dahil nagkaroon ako ng busy schedule. Pero ngayon, natapos din ako ng warm up pa lang. Meron pang 1 oras. Ang sarap sa pakiramdam yung parang tumitibok yung puso ko dito.